Six SUVs are quietly redefining what reliability really means, and the industry isn't ready for it. Consumer Reports has just released its latest rankings, and the findings are impossible to ignore. Six SUVs scored so high, they're being labeled near perfect. Yet the biggest surprise is this: the luxury brands expected to dominate reliability didn't come close to the top. Even more unexpected, the number one SUV is a model many buyers routinely overlook on dealership lots. In this video, I'll also break down the costly mistake nearly 90% of buyers make, one that leads to thousands lost in depreciation, unnecessary extended warranties, and repair bills after 50,000 miles. There's a clear, data-driven pattern connecting these six SUVs, explaining why some exceed 200,000 miles while others fail early. If you value informed buying decisions and long-term ownership confidence, make sure you subscribe. Let's begin with the SUV that delivered the biggest surprise. 1. The Subaru Outback Wilderness. This isn't just a reliable SUV, it's built to take real abuse. Consumer Reports gave the Outback Wilderness a 93, but that score barely reflects what it endured. This SUV survived 127-degree heat in Death Valley, minus 40 blizzards in Alaska, and off-road punishment that destroys most vehicles in hours. Subaru's past head gasket problems were real, but they addressed them directly. The engine block was rebuilt from the ground up. Metallurgy was changed, cooling was redesigned, and now every engine is tested for 200 straight hours before installation. Not one per batch, every single one. Durability also comes from what Subaru removed. There's no electronic parking brake and no sensor-heavy power liftgate, two common failure points around 60,000 miles. Fewer parts mean fewer problems. Underneath, it uses real steel, not decorative plastic, with oversized suspension components designed for real-world use. Financially, it's just as strong. The Outback Wilderness holds about 72% of its value after 3 years, outperforming many luxury SUVs that cost twice as much. And while it's built like a tank, the next SUV takes a very different approach, packed with technology, yet still ranking near perfect. 2. The Lexus NX 350h. This SUV is loaded with technology, so why does it rank near perfect? Consumer Reports gave the NX 350h a 94, which is surprising given the feature list. It comes with adaptive suspension, digital side mirrors, advanced ambient lighting, and more electronics than most vehicles in its class, normally a recipe for trouble. The difference is restraint. Lexus delayed the launch by 11 months to fix 17 potential failure points found during pre-production, rebuilding entire systems before the SUV ever reached buyers. As a result, the NX 350h didn't launch as a true first-generation model, but as a refined second version from day one. The hybrid system is a major reason for its durability. Lexus sourced components from Toyota's Industrial Equipment division, the same hardware used in forklifts and warehouse machines, built to run non-stop for years. That's how it delivers 39 miles per gallon while still beating the non-hybrid to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. Owners report minimal battery and motor degradation even after tens of thousands of miles. Inside, the NX feels closer to a scaled-down LS, with materials designed to age well. Lexus also keeps markups low, offering real luxury and long-term reliability at near mainstream pricing. And next, we move to the SUV that raises the bar even higher in the three-row segment. 3. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Three-row SUVs usually fail early. This one didn't. Consumer Reports gave the Highlander Hybrid a 96, and once you see how Toyota built it, that score makes sense. Instead of chasing flashy tech or risky redesigns, Toyota scaled proven hybrid systems from the Prius and Camry, powertrains with millions of real-world miles behind them. No experimental parts, no new-for-this-year risks. 4 years into this generation, there's still no consistent pattern of failure. Complaints are minimal, forums are quiet, and the recall history is nearly empty, rare for any three-row hybrid. Toyota's obsessive quality control plays a major role. Every Highlander hybrid goes through 847 separate tests before leaving the factory, including diagnostic scans, pressure testing, and seal inspections measured down to the millimeter. This SUV is treated like a long-term durability project, not a disposable product. Financially, it stands out. While most three-row SUVs lose around 45% of their value in 3 years, the Highlander Hybrid holds close to 70%. All of this comes with 35 miles per gallon, seating for 8, and towing up to 5,000 pounds, but not everyone needs 3 rows, and that's where the next SUV quietly dominates. 4. The Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV earns its spot through quiet excellence. No flash, no drama, just proven engineering in a family-friendly package. Consumer Reports gave the CR-V Hybrid one of the highest reliability scores in its segment. Honda built this hybrid system on more than a decade of refinement, with the expectation it would comfortably reach 250,000 miles. Consistency is its biggest strength. Owners report almost no major issues early on, no battery degradation, no electrical problems, and no transmission failures. The electric motor smooths acceleration, and the ECVT avoids the rubber band feel many drivers dislike. Mechanics appreciate the simple design, with no fragile air suspension or gimmicks waiting to fail. Fuel economy lands in the mid-40s, delivering real savings. Inside, it's classic Honda, durable, practical, and built to last. Resale value stays strong at around 68 to 70%, making it one of the most affordable SUVs to own long-term. If the NX 350h is the tech-heavy hybrid, and the Highlander Hybrid the 3-row king, the CR-V Hybrid is the quiet professional. 5. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. This is the SUV people overlook until the reliability data shows up. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the RAV4 Hybrid among the most reliable vehicles in America, and the record backs it up. 4 years in, there's no pattern of major failures, no battery issues, no inverter problems, no transmission disasters. The powertrain is the reason. Toyota built this hybrid to last using the same proven architecture found in high-mileage taxis and commercial vehicles that regularly pass 300,000 miles. Owners see fuel economy in the mid-40s with minimal long-term wear. Financially, it's just as strong, holding around 70% of its value after 3 years. Inside, it's classic Toyota, durable, simple, and built to last. Next, we move into true luxury territory with the SUV that revived an entire brand. 6. The Acura MDX. Acura was on life support. Then, the MDX changed everything. Consumer Reports gave it a 97, a score usually reserved for vehicles that simply don't break. And this isn't just a dressed-up Honda Pilot. While they share a platform, the engineering underneath is entirely different. Acura rebuilt what matters most: suspension geometry, electronics architecture, and insulation, clearly aiming to reset expectations in the luxury segment. You notice it immediately. Sound insulation fills the doors, floor, and roof, keeping the cabin impressively quiet. The electronics are polished and dependable, unlike many competitors. Acura went all in on chassis tuning, spending 24 months refining the suspension until it rode like a luxury sedan and handled like a much lighter vehicle. Ownership is refreshingly simple. Most owners only see the shop for oil changes and tire rotations. That confidence shows in the 6-year or 70,000-mile powertrain warranty. The MDX is comfortable, stable at speed, and offers a genuinely usable third row for adults. These SUVs prove reliability isn't luck. It's engineered. The brand's topping Consumer Reports built vehicles that last, not just look good. If you want to protect your money, these are the SUVs to watch.